Here, show this nice part here.
We are cleaning the grout in the kitchen floor. So you can see how dirty it is right there. And then Mom's making a paste out of Barkeeper's Friend. Are you mixing it with Fabuloso?
No. No mixing.
Look at that. Wow. I mean, it's a huge difference from...
I'm going to leave that dirty square where you're standing.
You're going to leave it?
Mm-hmm. So I'm done. It'll be the last one I do. That way you can go.
Wow. And you use, can you show me what you use to do this?
Barkeepers.
Barkeeper's Friend.
And water.
And water, and you're just making a paste out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've got some real disgusting tile. This is the best thing I've ever seen to clean tile up that quick.
And then I put it on and wait a couple minutes and go back and scrub. Make it go really fast. Yeah, get this close up.
Look at this. This is the final product over here. It looks
No,
amazing.
I have to rinse it twice more. That's not been rinsed proper.
Okay, ready?